Bojon dinaway magana duk, nijanish na bake. O gimaga bo indigo. Calling addition kas. Tibineo z bingish kuniganingin donji. Okay. It's time for a sentence here that I just made up this morning there, because I like making sentences every day. Our language is worth the effort for me to keep trying to understand it, eh? That's our collective song that our ancestors left us, our language. You know, it's not just words. You have to know how to make sentences, eh? Never mind those Ojibwe words of the day, guy. Our people spoke in sentences, not words. Well, anyways, here we go. Biizhishiikan. Okay, let me back that up there. I gotta say please first. Daga. Biizhishiikan. Bakwezhigan ji-amwang dagoshinan bwaanishimowing me tas. Okay, I'm gonna unpack that grammatically now. Biizhishiikan. That's an imperative to a second person to bring something animate later on. That's a delayed imperative. Not a present imperative that's delayed, meaning the later on the action will occur. You're asking for the action later on. Bakwezhigan is animate in our language. That's how come we use that bij, not bidun, which is a VTI, transitive inanimate. Bij is transitive animate because you're bringing something animate. Bakwezhigan is animate in our language. Ji-amwang, to eat. Gina wind. To us, to eat's a third person object, which is bakwezhigan because it's a living object in our language. J, the intention to eat. Amwang is inflected in a subjunctive. Gina wind, to wean. First person plural inclusive to third person. Transitive animate, subjunctive. So you got that part now. Dagoshinan. When you arrive. That's dagoshin is the root word, but you're inflecting that for the second person, for gin. That's when they arrive later on. That's an animate intransitive. Bwaanishimowing. Bwaanishimow is how we say he or she dances powwow. Notice that bwaan there, because that's a Dakota style dance. Bwaanishimow. Win. That's a nominalizer. It turns it into a noun. But when you say bwaanishimowing, that makes it a location. That G at the end there, bwaanishimowing. So you're bringing the bannock to that location, which is the powwow later on. May tus. May tus means later on in Western Ojibwe. We use that word. That's a loan word from the Nehea Wak, the Omashkigo Wak, the Cree. So there's a sentence construction for you. I always try to make sentences every day in our language. I'm not a first speaker because our language is worth the effort. Our ancestors are worth the effort. It ain't just only phony baloney 7 teachings and 7 generations stuff. Our ancestors are worth the effort to understand what they left us through the language. That's why it's worth the effort for me. It has inherent value. Hamsa.